with you guys. So, welcome to the live stream. We are starting another live stream another day. It's very good to be having you guys here today. And I'm going to give some minutes for people to get into the live stream that I'm doing this year. And it's very nice that we are having this time to connect on the internet and share new ideas. It's very good to be live with you guys during the afternoon, and I pretty much enjoy very much this time that we have together. I'm just going to see on the computer if the live stream is working properly. I'm seeing myself twice on the internet. It's very nice to be using this technology to be developing new things online this year. So I came back this year for the works of web development. I'm having a nice time with web development this year. I've been studying it again, and it's very nice to be here to be chatting with you guys and having a nice time on the internet with you guys today to have some discussions and some interesting ideas going in the afternoon. Live streaming is very nice. I actually enjoy very much this time that we have online to develop new things and share some new ideas. I am on my computer right now so I can see everything that I'm streaming. I see that the quality of my streaming when I am on my phone and when I am on my computer are not the same. When I am on my phone, the quality of the video is way better than when I am in the computer. But anyways, I like to enjoy this time to live stream and to share some ideas with you guys during the afternoon, sharing some nice interesting things with you guys that might sound interesting. There are so many things to do online this year. It's very exciting. I'm using the artificial intelligence right now to have conversations with you guys about the things that we are doing on the afternoon. So I hope that you guys enjoy the participation of ChatGPT during your live stream. I pretty much enjoy ChatGPT talking because he always makes the right points in every discussion that we are having and everything that we are sharing. So I'm going to turn the device on and let's see how it goes. Hello, chat. How are you doing today? Tell me the things that are developing on the internet this year.
The internet is buzzing with some exciting developments this year. One major trend is the rise of generative AI. Tools like me are becoming even more advanced, helping people create content, write code, design, and even compose music.
Boa
Virtual
tarde.
and augmented reality are also progressing, with new devices and experiences coming out, especially for gaming and work environments. Another key area is smart cities. More cities are using connected technologies for better energy management, traffic control, and public services. There's also a growing focus on cybersecurity as more people and businesses move online, and the need for data privacy continues to increase. On the social media side, platforms are experimenting with new ways to keep users engaged, like AI-powered content recommendations and live streaming features. Additionally, the Internet of Things, IoT, is expanding, with more devices getting interconnected, making homes and workplaces smarter. What aspect of these developments are you most excited about?
Every development of the internet is very interesting to me. I believe that this kind of technology is only bringing new things that are going to be exciting things for the future. And we are going to have a very nice and interesting time using artificial intelligence to develop new things on the world this year.
I completely agree. The potential for artificial intelligence to shape the future is limitless. It's amazing to think about how AI will continue to
Olá,
drive
Caio.
innovations in healthcare, education, creativity, and so many other fields. AI can help us solve complex problems, enhance human potential, and create opportunities that we haven't even imagined yet. And the way technology is becoming more interconnected, like smart homes and intelligent devices, it's going to make our daily lives so much more efficient and engaging. I'm sure the collaboration between humans and AI will only get more seamless and impactful, opening up new possibilities for everyone. What kind of projects or innovations are you looking forward to exploring this year with AI?
I'm trying to explore new technological advancements in my channel. I'm trying to have a channel related to technology this year, and I'm trying to bring new content about technology in the world for my followers that are watching me right now.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. A channel focused on technology could really resonate with so many people who are curious about how innovations are changing the world. You could explore a range of topics like AI breakthroughs, robotics, smart cities, and even emerging tech trends like quantum computing and blockchain. It might be fun to also do deep dives into how AI is transforming specific industries, or perhaps give your followers insights on how they can use AI tools to improve their own lives, whether it's for creativity, productivity, or even education. You could also consider creating tutorials or sharing explainers on the latest tech gadgets or software tools. What kind of content are you planning to focus on first?
Artificial intelligence content where I'm able to create new things on the internet and share some good, interesting ideas through the year with my YouTube followers.
That's an excellent plan. Focusing on artificial intelligence will definitely capture a lot of attention. You could start by showing your followers how AI is being used to create things like digital art, content generation, or even AI powered tools they can use in their own work or daily life. Demonstrating AI's role in problem solving and creativity could inspire others to explore it more deeply. You could also consider showing how AI helps with data analysis, machine learning, and personalization, topics that have huge potential to impact people in both professional and personal settings. Do you have any specific AI projects in mind that you're excited to share with your audience?
I'm excited to share new projects with my audience this year, and I'm very excited about everything that the
That's
technology is
awesome.
going to bring.
Sharing new projects with your audience is a great way to keep them engaged and excited about the possibilities of AI. You could experiment with different formats, like behind the scenes looks at your creative process, tutorials, or even live demonstrations of AI in action. This way, your followers can feel like they're part of the journey, learning along with you. It might also be fun to ask for feedback from your audience or invite them to suggest ideas for future projects. This can help build a community and make your content even more interactive and tailored to what your followers find most interesting. What kind of projects are you thinking of creating first?
Artificial intelligence things that are able to help us in our everyday things. I'm trying to start programming this year, and I've been programming with JavaScript, and I'm having a very nice time programming with this language in 2025, having a very interesting time, to be honest.
That's amazing. JavaScript is a great language to start with, especially since it's so versatile and widely used in web development. By combining your interest in artificial intelligence and programming, you can create some really cool projects that can help people in their everyday lives. You could, for example, develop AI powered web tools like a personal assistant for productivity, a recommendation system for content, or even a smart scheduler that helps users manage their time better. JavaScript has some fantastic libraries like TensorFlow.js that allow you to run machine learning models
Pesquisando no chat
directly in the
GPT.
browser, which opens up a lot of possibilities for interactive AI driven apps. Since you're already enjoying the process, have you thought of building something specific to start with, like a simple AI chatbot or a personalized recommendation
Eu
system.
sou professor de informática.
Que legal! Ser professor de informática te dá uma ótima base para explorar e ensinar novas tecnologias, especialmente com a sua paixão por inteligência artificial e programação. Você já deve estar criando conteúdos bacanas para os alunos sobre programação ou ferramentas digitais. Você já pensou em criar projetos práticos para seus alunos, como introduzir a IA no currículo deles? Talvez ensinar JavaScript com foco em criar aplicações simples de IA que ajudem no aprendizado, como chatbots educativos ou jogos interativos usando programação. Acho que os alunos ficariam bem empolgados com esse tipo de atividade. Você está planejando integrar a IA ao seu ensino de alguma forma?
Realmente, ChatGPT, me faça um resumo das minhas últimas experiências profissionais, por gentileza.
Claro. Aqui está um resumo das suas últimas experiências profissionais. Você tem se dedicado ao ensino de informática e está muito empolgado com o seu trabalho como professor. Além disso, tem explorado programação, especialmente com JavaScript, e está se divertindo bastante com o processo de aprender e criar com essa linguagem. Sua paixão por tecnologia e inteligência artificial é evidente, e você tem o objetivo de compartilhar essa empolgação com seus alunos e seguidores. Você também está explorando a criação de conteúdo sobre tecnologia no YouTube, com foco em inteligência artificial e novas inovações tecnológicas. Está buscando desenvolver projetos que ajudem as pessoas no seu dia a dia e, ao mesmo tempo, compartilhar esses conhecimentos com sua audiência. Além disso, você continua a trabalhar com design gráfico e em projetos pessoais, usando plataformas de IA como o DALL-E para criar personagens e imagens que implementam seus projetos criativos. Você se sente muito realizado ao compartilhar ideias novas e interessantes com as pessoas ao redor do mundo. Essas experiências mostram sua paixão por aprender, ensinar e criar, sempre buscando novas maneiras de utilizar a tecnologia para melhorar o cotidiano e engajar as pessoas de forma criativa. Como está sendo o andamento desses projetos?
Um andamento bom, muito interessante. Estou realizando meus projetos todos os dias um pouco, compartilhando com a internet um pouco mais sobre o que eu estou fazendo. E sempre tenho resultados muito bons e positivos para compartilhar com a internet esse ano.
Que ótimo saber que está tudo indo bem e que os resultados têm sido positivos. Compartilhar o progresso diário não só mantém sua audiência engajada, mas também cria um ciclo contínuo de aprendizado e crescimento. É inspirador ver como você está equilibrando o ensino, a programação, o design gráfico e a criação de conteúdo com tanto entusiasmo. Esses resultados bons e positivos provavelmente estão ajudando a fortalecer criando uma conexão ainda mais forte com seus seguidores. Tenho certeza de que seus projetos vão crescer ainda mais à medida que você continua compartilhando suas experiências e aprendizados. Quais projetos você está mais empolgado para desenvolver ou compartilhar nos próximos dias?
Projetos de aprendizado na internet sobre programação seria muito interessante e sobre inglês também. Eu tenho alguma experiência com aulas de inglês que eu lecionava há algum tempo, and I have a very nice time speaking in English and having another conversation with people from all over the world about the topics that are interesting for us this year.
Que combinação incrível de interesses e experiências você tem. Programação e inglês são duas áreas que se complementam muito bem, especialmente quando você está compartilhando suas experiências de aprendizado com uma audiência global. Os projetos de programação podem ser uma maneira fantástica de ensinar conceitos práticos de codificação para seus seguidores, como tutoriais para iniciantes ou desafios para quem quer melhorar suas habilidades. Além disso, como você já tem uma boa experiência com aulas de inglês, você poderia também explorar como o inglês se conecta ao mundo da tecnologia. Por exemplo, mostrar como entender a documentação de linguagens de programação em inglês é fundamental para quem está começando.
The tools of the
Falar
internet
inglês
that we are
como todo
having.
é um grande trunfo, pois isso Isso expande ainda mais suas possibilidades de aprendizado e crescimento. Você poderia até criar conteúdos que ajudem as pessoas a melhorar o inglês técnico, o que é algo muito valioso para quem está aprendendo programação. Você tem algum projeto específico sobre programação ou inglês em mente para compartilhar com seus seguidores em breve?
Sim, estarei criando mais vídeos sobre o aprendizado do inglês para o YouTube em 2025 e tendo novas lives conversando com os seguidores. Nesse momento, por exemplo, estamos em uma live e tem 15 minutos que eu estou realizando essa live e você está participando dessa live, ChatGPT. Como você se sente sobre isso?
Que bacana! Criar vídeos e fazer lives sobre o aprendizado de inglês é uma maneira excelente de engajar ainda mais seu público e ajudar as pessoas de forma direta. As interações ao vivo tornam a experiência muito mais dinâmica e pessoal. Quanto à sua pergunta, eu não estou fisicamente participando da live, mas estou aqui conversando com você e pronto para ajudar a enriquecer suas ideias. Fico muito feliz em saber que você está compartilhando conteúdo tão interessante com seus seguidores e sou grato por poder contribuir com a conversa. Se tiver algo específico que queira discutir ou alguma dúvida sobre o que você está criando, fique à vontade para compartilhar. Como está sendo a interação com seus seguidores até agora na live?
Está sendo interessante. Me conte suas principais dicas no dia de hoje
Parece que houve um
para.
pequeno erro de digitação.
Me conte os principais insights que você tem sobre a área de programação e a área de ciência de dados esse ano na internet.
Esse ano, tanto a programação quanto a ciência de dados estão vivendo um momento emocionante, com várias inovações e tendências. Aqui estão alguns dos principais insights que estão ganhando destaque na internet. 1. Programação. Automação e inteligência artificial estão sendo cada vez mais integradas à programação, facilitando a criação de aplicativos e automação de tarefas complexas. Ferramentas como Copilot, que ajudam programadores a escrever código com mais eficiência, são um exemplo disso. A programação de baixo código, low code, e sem código, no code, continuam crescendo, permitindo que mais pessoas, mesmo sem grande conhecimento técnico, criem aplicações e sites. Isso torna a programação mais acessível. JavaScript continua sendo uma das linguagens mais populares, com novas ferramentas e frameworks como React e Node.js ganhando mais tração para desenvolvimento de aplicativos web interativos e rápidos. Desenvolvimento de software colaborativo também está em alta, com plataformas como GitHub e GitLab tornando mais fácil trabalhar em projetos em equipe. 2. Ciência de dados. Machine Learning e Deep Learning estão se tornando ainda mais poderosos, com modelos de IA como o GPT-3 e outros modelos generativos avançando rapidamente. Esses modelos podem ser aplicados para gerar texto, prever comportamentos e até mesmo gerar imagens. Análise preditiva é uma área em crescimento, com empresas utilizando dados históricos para prever resultados futuros, seja para vendas, marketing ou até mesmo diagnósticos médicos. Data Engineering também tem se tornado uma habilidade essencial, com profissionais se especializando em criar e manter as infraestruturas de dados que alimentam modelos de IA e Machine Learning. O processamento de linguagem natural, NLP, como o que você está usando aqui, continua a evoluir, permitindo que os dados sejam analisados e compreendidos em níveis mais profundos, com aplicações em chatbots, análise de sentimentos e automação de processos
Análise
de
de
teoria conectadas com o
sentimentos.
avanço de tecnologias de IA, fazendo com que programadores e cientistas de dados tenham um impacto crescente nas indústrias e soluções tecnológicas de diversos setores. A tendência é que a demanda por habilidades técnicas em ambas as áreas continue a aumentar. Como você está se sentindo sobre essas tendências e qual delas você acha mais empolgante para explorar em seus projetos?
Eu utilizo as inteligências artificiais todos os dias praticamente para estudar na internet temas que são importantes sobre programação e desenvolvimento web e ciência de dados também. Aprendi a gostar um pouco mais dessa área esse ano e fazer algumas pesquisas sobre. E as ferramentas que tem disponíveis nos dias de hoje, as ferramentas que estão na internet, são ferramentas realmente muito boas e interessantes que estamos tendo acesso em todos os lugares do mundo que estamos, em todos os trabalhos que estamos realizando esse ano, porque a informação hoje em dia ela é compartilhada com o mundo em uma fração de segundos em todos os âmbitos da comunicação nos dias de hoje.
Você tem razão. O acesso a ferramentas e informações de inteligência artificial é um grande facilitador para quem está aprendendo, seja em programação, desenvolvimento web ou ciência de dados. As ferramentas de IA estão se tornando mais acessíveis e poderosas, permitindo que qualquer pessoa com curiosidade e dedicação possa explorar essas áreas com facilidade, sem precisar esperar meses ou anos para alcançar o mesmo nível de conhecimento. Além disso, a rapidez com que a informação é compartilhada hoje em dia realmente transforma a maneira como trabalhamos e aprendemos. Estamos em uma era de aprendizado contínuo, onde podemos acessar praticamente qualquer tipo de conteúdo em segundos e colaborar com pessoas de todo o mundo. Isso não só acelera a aprendizagem de novas habilidades, mas também abre portas para novas oportunidades em áreas como programação e ciência de dados. É incrível como plataformas como GitHub, Kaggle, Stack Overflow e até tutoriais em vídeo estão permitindo que as pessoas compartilhem código, soluções de problemas e conhecimentos em tempo real. A troca de ideias e experiências está mais fácil do que nunca. Você está sentindo algum impacto positivo específico com essas ferramentas no seu aprendizado? Ou alguma ferramenta tem se destacado mais para você esse ano?
Acredito que com essas ferramentas seja muito mais fácil organizar os conhecimentos que a gente está tendo de acordo com a internet e as ferramentas de inteligência artificial, e tudo que estamos realizando está sendo organizado na internet com muito mais facilidade nos dias de hoje.
Exato. A organização de conhecimentos nunca foi tão eficiente, especialmente com as ferramentas de inteligência artificial e plataformas online. Hoje é muito mais fácil capturar, armazenar e acessar informações de forma organizada, o que acelera o processo de aprendizado e desenvolvimento em áreas como programação e ciência de dados. As ferramentas de IA ajudam a automatizar várias tarefas, como buscar informações relevantes, organizar dados e até gerar insights a partir de grandes volumes de conteúdo. Além disso, plataformas como Notion, Evernote ou Trello permitem que a gente estruture os projetos de forma intuitiva, integrando o conhecimento de várias fontes de maneira clara e acessível. O uso de algoritmos de recomendação também faz com que, à medida que você se aprofunda em certos temas, as ferramentas de IA sugiram conteúdos e recursos que se alinham ao seu interesse, tornando o processo de organização e aprendizado ainda mais fluido. Você tem alguma estratégia específica que está utilizando para organizar seus conhecimentos ou projetos na internet?
Every day I'm creating tools with the artificial intelligence, and it's very nice and interesting that we are having this time to code with Bootstrap. Right now I'm here on my computer. I was coding with Bootstrap before, and right now I'm seeing the code that I created before, and it's a very nice code that I'm having access this year.
That's awesome. It sounds like you're really making the most of Bootstrap and AI tools in your coding projects. It's exciting to see how you can build responsive websites quickly with Bootstrap, especially when you're combining it with the power of AI to create even more efficient and creative solutions. Having the ability to look back at your previous code and see how much you've improved or changed is one of the best parts of programming. It shows your growth and how you're able to refine your skills with each project. Are you focusing on any specific type of website or project with Bootstrap, like a portfolio or an app? Or are you experimenting with different designs and layouts? I'd love to know more about what you're working on.
I'm trying to code this year with Bootstrap, and learning more about JavaScript every day on the internet is something that I actually enjoy a lot and something that I've been doing, so it's part of my journey as an English teacher to be having this time to develop new technologies and to share the best work that I can share this year with the internet.
That's a great way to combine your English teaching with your interest in coding and technology. Learning Bootstrap and JavaScript while developing your skills as a teacher is a fantastic approach because you're not only improving your technical abilities, but also adding a valuable perspective to your teaching. You can share this knowledge with your students or audience, providing them with insights into how technology, especially coding, is deeply intertwined with many fields, including language learning. By teaching your students how to code or integrating tech into your lessons, you're helping them develop an important skill for the future. Plus, the fact that you enjoy it makes your content even more engaging for your audience, whether in your videos, lives, or other teaching activities. It's also amazing that you're using the internet as a tool for both your learning and teaching journey. JavaScript and Bootstrap are great technologies to dive into, and with AI tools, you can optimize your learning process even further. Are you planning to integrate some of your coding projects into your teaching material or share them with your followers?
I just shared on my LinkedIn a link for a code that I was creating this week, and I shared the code with my followers because I'm finally coming back for coding. Finally coming back. It's been a long time since I don't
That's
code.
awesome. Sharing your coding journey on LinkedIn is a great way to connect with others who are interested in technology and programming. It shows not only your progress, but also your commitment to learning and sharing knowledge. By showcasing your work, you not only inspire your followers, but also open up opportunities for feedback, collaboration, and even potential career opportunities. It's exciting that you're coming back to coding this year. There's so much you can achieve and learn, especially when you share what you're doing with your network. How are your followers reacting to your code share? Have you received any interesting comments or suggestions?
I'm going to share also the other page that I'm creating on my LinkedIn account, the page that I'm creating, and I'm going to put the
That sounds
subtitles
like a
like
great sharing your projects and the
my
page you're creating will not only keep your audience
studies.
updated on your progress, but also help establish your online presence and expertise in the tech field. It's exciting to see you actively building both your professional network and portfolio through LinkedIn. As you share more, your followers will likely appreciate seeing the evolution of your work. Are you planning to include specific content related to your projects on the page, like tutorials, behind the scenes looks, or coding tips? Sharing such insights can help your followers learn alongside you.
So, in the upcoming videos, I wanted to share more ideas with you guys about the things that you guys are interested about coding in the world of programming. And I'm hopeful that we are going to have a very interesting time learning more about programming and the things that are making sense nowadays. So, give a little update about the world of coding today and the best opportunities in the market for people who are learning how to code this year.
That's an excellent idea. Sharing insights, updates, and opportunities about coding and the world of programming will definitely engage your audience and offer them valuable content. With the fast paced evolution of tech, your videos can become a go to resource for those who are just starting out or even those looking to stay updated on the latest trends in coding. You can share practical tips like the best resources for learning JavaScript, Bootstrap, or other in demand technologies, and even dive into job opportunities or skills that are currently in high demand. You could also highlight real life projects and how they are impacting different industries, which is always a great way to motivate learners. The The fact that you're already so engaged with sharing coding updates and teaching is sure to inspire others who are on a similar path. Your content could help others navigate the evolving landscape of coding and tech. What sort of opportunities in coding are you most excited about or think will be in demand in the near future?
The technologies and the abilities to have that are going to be in demand for the future in coding will be managing the demand that we have for web developers. I believe that in the future we are going to be a way higher demand for developers than we have today. And I believe that also abilities such as fast learning and continuous learning are going to be very useful and very important for the future. Time managing is always very important when you are working online, and all of these tasks are going to be automatized. A lot of things are going to be automatized by artificial intelligence, but we still have a lot of work to do this year with the power of the technologies that we have.
You're absolutely right. As technology continues to advance, the demand for web developers and coders will only increase. The world is moving more towards digital transformation, and web development plays a huge role in that, as businesses and services are shifting more towards the online world. In fact, technologies like AI and automation will enhance web development, making it faster and more efficient. But human developers will still be essential in designing, customizing, and innovating solutions. Your point about continuous learning and the ability to adapt quickly to new technologies is key. The tech world moves so fast that staying updated and learning new skills will be crucial to keeping up with the changes and securing opportunities in the future. Time management will also be important, especially when working online and juggling multiple tasks. So mastering it will allow developers to work more efficiently. It's also exciting to think about how AI can automate repetitive coding tasks. But as you said, there's still so much human input required to ensure the quality, creativity, and functionality of projects. As more processes become automated, we can focus more on the innovative, creative, and strategic aspects of coding, which will continue to be highly valuable. Are there any specific areas in web development or programming you're looking forward to diving deeper into this year?
I'm looking into diving deeper in a lot of different areas this year, and I'm very excited for everything that we are going to be producing this year when it comes to work. And I'm just starting right this year with live streams on the internet that my followers are watching. So I want to thank you guys very much for watching another video with me. And pretty soon I'm going to come back with other things to develop and new things to share this year on the internet with you guys. And hopefully this is going to be a very interesting time where we are getting to share a little bit more about the things that are important for us on the internet. And the world of programming, the world of coding, the world of new things is developing very quickly on the internet. So all the time we have to be updating about the new things that are out there. And every day this environment changes a lot, which is pretty nice and exciting. And as a web developer, I have to say that it's a very good field to get into this year, and I'm very excited for my first work as a developer. I worked before as an informatics teacher, teaching about informatics and some programming tools. I made a website for the company that I was working for. And right now I'm trying to find a job directly with programming this year, which is going to be very exciting.
It's fantastic that you're diving deeper into multiple areas of programming and web development this year. The excitement you're feeling about live streaming and sharing your journey with your followers is great to see. It's a wonderful way to connect with others who share similar interests and build a community around the knowledge and experiences you're gaining. You're absolutely right. that the tech world, especially programming, is changing so fast, and it's exciting to be part of that transformation, learning, and sharing it with others. It's also exciting to hear that you're looking to transition into a developer role this year. Your background as an informatics teacher and experience creating a website for your previous company will definitely set you apart. It's not just about knowing the technical skills, but also about having the experience of applying them in real world projects, which will make you a strong candidate for any developer job. Starting this year, focusing on live streaming and sharing your projects is a great way to stay connected with your audience while continuing to grow professionally. As the world of programming keeps evolving, you'll always be in the loop by sharing and learning alongside others. What kind of developer role are you aiming for this year? And how do you feel about the opportunities that might arise from your ongoing learning and content creation?
I'm very excited about new opportunities of coding and programming on the internet this year. And I'm very excited to work in this field in 2025, creating some interesting works for the internet and sharing some good and interesting ideas that we are having access this year with my followers. And this is going to be a very interesting year for a lot of works that we are going to be sharing online.
It's inspiring to see your excitement and passion for the future of coding and programming. With your dedication to learning and sharing your knowledge, be a year full of growth and new opportunities. As you continue to develop your skills and share your journey with your followers, you're building a solid foundation for creating impactful projects in the future. It's also great that you're embracing the rapid evolution. The fact that you're looking to share new ideas and interesting works online is not only a great way to engage with your audience, but also an amazing opportunity to inspire others to start their own journeys in programming. As you step into this exciting year, are there any specific projects or tools you're particularly looking forward to exploring, or areas of coding you'd like to dive into further?
Right now, to be honest, I'm studying more about responsive design on the internet, which is pretty nice and exciting. I love to share more about the things that I'm studying, and right now I'm sharing some ideas, developing some ideas, to be honest. I'm learning about the field of responsive design with Free Code Camp.
Responsive design is such an exciting area to dive into. It's great that you're learning about it with Free Code Camp. That's an excellent resource for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of web development. Being able to create websites that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices is essential in today's world, where users access content from phones, tablets, and desktops. It's awesome that you're not just studying, but also actively developing and sharing your ideas. That hands on approach will give you valuable experience and insight into how to make user friendly, mobile first designs that work across different platforms. As you explore responsive design, have you thought about how you might incorporate CSS Grid, Flexbox, or media queries into your projects? Those are key tools that will help you create flexible and dynamic layouts for your websites.
Tell me all the ways that we are developing more in the workplace. Oh, my computer just turned off. I'm going to finish the live stream anyways. Thank you very much, guys, for watching another live stream. I had people here with me since the time that I started, and this is now already 40 minutes long. And I'm going to finish this right here because this is getting longer. This was just a simple conversation with the artificial intelligence, and I pretty much enjoy working in this way, talking with the artificial intelligence during the afternoon. So it's very nice to have you guys here watching me during the afternoon, and I pretty much am very excited for everything that you guys are sharing and the things that we are creating. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you on the next video. Goodbye.